This is Pilates Master Nikki. Today we're going to talk about the myth of sugar and wrinkles. Does sugar really cause wrinkles to the skin? And the sad fact and truth to that is yes, certain sugars do cause premature aging of the skin. So sugar has over 50 different names as you start to read ingredients on food labels. There's all kinds of names like high fructose corn syrup, dextrose, aspartame, and a million other names, which we're not going to go through, that are all different types of processed sugars. So your skin is that layer, the stratum corneum, and your skin has that outer layer that has a natural barrier to protect it. Your skin wants to be plump and elastic and springy, just like what we do in Pilates with the muscles. So that outer layer, that skin layer, is our largest organ. When you eat a lot of processed sugars, there is a process that happens to the skin, which is a glycation of the skin layer, of that collagen layer, that collagen and elastin, which is what makes skin plump and springy and elastic. So there are different types of collagen within our skin. When glycation happens from consuming synthetic sugars and sugars in general, your collagen level, so there's type 3 collagen, which is the strongest, most resilient collagen, which we want. And so that glycation breaks that type 3 collagen in your body down to type 1 collagen, which is the skinniest, weakest little kind of collagen. And so that is what is considered a premature breakdown and aging of the body. And the sugar, especially that fake sugar, breaks down that natural protective SC or stratum corneum of the body that has antioxidants to protect you against UV rays that are damaging, the blue light, which we know for computers and screens and such like that, and pollutants that are in the air, even pollutants that are in some of our soaps that we wash clothes with, the sprays that are used to clean houses with. A lot of those synthetic things break down that skin natural barrier. The good news is, there's always good news, is that you can combat that internally by eating more fruits, obviously, and vegetables that have a whole bunch of minerals and vitamins that help build up and plump up the skin. So the sugar found in fruits and the sugars occurring in natural fibers are not the same as processed sugars, while you should avoid to eat excess amounts of anything because moderation in everything, says Buddha, even moderation. Those processed sugars are very, very sharper and more damaging to the skin. So if you eat fats, good fats, as you eat things that are sugared, that's why you should have butter with your cookies, sugar, butter, right? Those butter cookies are amazing. So when you have good fats along with your sugar, it slows down the absorption rate and stops that sugar spiking, which can lead to glycation and skin breakdown. Of course, the vitamins that you find in vegetables and fruits are amazing. So some things that help boost the skin are things that are juicy, like watermelon, cucumbers, zucchini, watercress. Things that are super important, the vitamin Bs, and especially found in green peas and spinach and Swiss chard and all of those things that we always talk about. So with the skin, it's basic. You want to prevent the damage, cut down on the sugar, the alcohol, the smoking, and the bad things. You want to hydrate your skin internally. The more water you have, the more your cells can regenerate, and that is going to keep your skin younger longer. And then things like feeding your skin with good food and also with topical applications. We're going to talk more about this later on this month. And of course, sleeping. Sleeping is when your body goes into repair mode, that instead of having to put energy to the brain and to the muscles and to move around, all the energy goes into rebuilding and repairing. So sleep is important. This is Pilates Master Nikki, and I'll see you in class.